Hello, and welcome to another Business Tech Planet video. Today, I'll be showing you a quick and simple guide on how to fix Microsoft Word crashing when you use bullet points. Let's get started. With your Microsoft Word file opened up, click on File, as seen at the top. Then from here, click on Options, seen on the bottom left. Now, click on Add-ons. Click on Go, which is seen next to COM add-ins. Select the add-ins you no longer have a requirement for, and click on Remove. We recommend disabling add-ins one by one to see which is the culprit. Click OK, and then restart Word. For a dedicated blog post on this issue, and for a more detailed overview of everything, click the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. We hope this resolved your issue. Subscribe for future related tutorials, and leave a comment down below if you have any questions or concerns. Thanks for watching.